Welcome to Car Wow 787, your go-to destination for in-depth reviews and explorations of classic and unique vehicles. If you're passionate about automotive history and innovation, make sure to subscribe and join our community of enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating transformation of an iconic vehicle, the 1974 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup. This unique conversion blends the classic charm of a Beetle with the practicality of a pickup truck, resulting in a vehicle that's both functional and full of character. Let's begin by exploring the origins of the Volkswagen Beetle. Introduced in the late 1930s, the Beetle was designed as an affordable and reliable car for the masses. Its distinctive rounded shape and rear-engine layout made it instantly recognizable. By 1974, the Beetle had undergone various updates, but it retained its core design elements that endeared it to millions worldwide. The 1974 model featured a 1.6-liter air-cooled flat-4 engine, producing approximately 46 horsepower. This engine was known for its simplicity and durability, making it a favorite among car enthusiasts. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the Beetle offered a driving experience that was both engaging and straightforward. Now, let's delve into the specifics of the pickup conversion. Transforming a Beetle into a pickup involves significant modifications. The rear section of the car is restructured to create a cargo bed, often incorporating custom fabrication to ensure structural integrity and aesthetic appeal. In this particular conversion, the Beetle's rear seats and trunk area have been replaced with a flatbed cargo space. The bed is constructed using durable materials, often featuring wooden slats or metal panels, and is designed to handle light to moderate loads. This modification not only adds utility but also gives the vehicle a distinctive appearance that sets it apart from standard Beetles. The exterior of the converted Beetle pickup maintains the classic front-end design, including the iconic round headlights and curved fenders. However, the rear has been transformed to accommodate the pickup bed, often featuring custom tailgates and rear lighting setups. The integration of these elements requires careful planning and craftsmanship to ensure a seamless blend between the original design and the new components. Let's talk interior. Inside the cabin, the Beetle pickup retains much of its original charm. The dashboard and controls are typically preserved, maintaining the vintage aesthetic. However, modifications may include updated seating for improved comfort and functionality, especially considering the vehicle's new purpose as a utility vehicle. Driving the Beetle pickup offers a unique experience. The combination of the Beetle's compact size and the added utility of the pickup bed makes it versatile for various tasks. Whether it's for light hauling, promotional purposes, or simply as a conversation starter at car shows, the Beetle pickup stands out in any setting. From a performance standpoint, the vehicle maintains the original Beetle's characteristics. The air-cooled engine provides adequate power for city driving and light-duty tasks. The rear-engine layout contributes to a distinctive driving feel, with the weight distribution affecting handling dynamics. Maintenance and upkeep of a Beetle pickup require attention to both the original components and the custom modifications. Regular checks on the structural integrity of the pickup bed, as well as the condition of the engine and transmission, are essential to ensure longevity and reliability. In terms of collectability, the Beetle pickup occupies a niche space. While not a factory-produced model, these conversions are valued for their uniqueness and the craftsmanship involved in their creation. Enthusiasts often seek out well-executed conversions, appreciating the blend of classic design and practical utility. If you're considering undertaking a Beetle pickup conversion, it's important to plan meticulously. Assessing the condition of the donor vehicle, sourcing quality materials, and possibly consulting with professionals can make the difference between a successful project and a problematic one. In conclusion, the 1974 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup is a testament to automotive creativity and adaptability. It showcases how a beloved classic can be reimagined to serve new purposes while retaining its iconic identity. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 1974 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive ingenuity, please like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more content celebrating unique vehicles and their stories. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.